one of the things that I do when it comes to like my videos, if I know that I want to get people to click, I always have an intention for every video. There's some videos I'd be like, all right, boom, I'm gonna just teach people this strategy, and I may just tell them to go ahead and click the subscribe button, tick the bell, and so on and so on. So that would be a video that I would create just for the sake of, not for the sake of creating a video, but creating a video that I know that's gonna be valuable. So I did a video called How Does the Facebook Algorithm Works. That video is performing quite well right now. But I did that video just to teach people how the algorithm works, because I knew that it would give them value so they can get an understanding. But if I remember right, I also gave a call to action to a tool that they can use to cleanse their Facebook. Like if they're doing Facebook marketing, I think I mentioned this in the video, but if they're doing Facebook marketing, I shared a tool that that they can use to cleanse, because as a Facebook marketer, right, you don't want to keep the people on your list that are not engaging with you, the people that don't want nothing to do with you. So you get rid of those people. So I shared a tool that would be helpful, but before that, I gave value sharing with them how the algorithm works, right? So that would be an example of how to get people to click a lot more, because you're sharing value with them. So I always I give my hook in the beginning of the video, I then share with them value, and then I give a call to action, because then I've earned the right to give that call to action at that point. That's kind of how I go about it, and that's how I end up, getting a lot more clicks. And I track pretty much everything with ClickMagick. So all of the links that I have on my YouTube channel, they're all, obviously they're masked, with my domain, but they're all ClickMagick links, so I can track everything. Hopefully that was helpful, bro. I know it was a mouthful.